Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be comparing two top-notch robot vacuum and mop combos, the Roborock Q5 Plus and the Shark AI Ultra 2 inches 1 robot vacuum and mop. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's dive right in and see how these two products stack up against each other in various categories. Both the Roborock Q5 Plus and the Shark AI Ultra 2 inches 1 robot vacuum and mop are priced at $699. So, in terms of affordability, they are on par with each other. The Roborock Q5 Plus comes with a self-empty dock that automatically empties its dustbin after each cleanup. With a 2.5L dust bag, it can hold up to 7 weeks of dirt, making it ideal for those who prefer minimal maintenance. On the other hand, the Shark AI Ultra 2 inches 1 robot vacuum and mop also offers hands-free cleaning with its self-emptying base. It can hold up to 60 days of dirt and debris, eliminating the need for frequent emptying. The Roborock Q5 Plus features PreciSense LiDAR Navigation, which creates highly accurate maps of your home. You can even view these maps in 3D and add furniture and floor materials to recreate your home virtually. This enables precise and efficient cleaning. Similarly, the Shark AI Ultra 2 inches 1 robot vacuum and mop utilizes 360 degrees LiDAR vision to quickly and accurately map your home. It adapts to everyday changes in your home and detects and avoids objects in its path, ensuring thorough cleaning. The Roborock Q5 Plus boasts a powerful suction of 2,700 pascals, allowing it to easily lift debris and pet hair from floors and deep inside carpets. Its multi-plane floating main brush ensures deeper cleaning, even on uneven surfaces. Likewise, the Shark AI Ultra 2 inches 1 robot vacuum and mop offers incredible suction power, making it a great choice for tackling dirt and pet hair. Its self-cleaning brush roll is designed to pick up more hair and is anti-hair wrap, ensuring efficient cleaning. The Roborock Q5 Plus is powered by a high-capacity battery and a 470ml dustbin, providing long-lasting cleaning that can easily tackle most homes in one clean. It is also resistant to hair tangles, making it ideal for homes with pets. On the other hand, the Shark AI Ultra 2 inches 1 robot vacuum and mop comes with features like Clean Edge Detect, which uses blasts of air and corner recognition to remove debris from edges and corners. It also offers sonic mopping for extra deep cleaning and has a self-cleaning brush roll for hassle-free maintenance. Overall, the Roborock Q5 Plus and the Shark AI Ultra 2 inches 1 robot vacuum and mop have received positive reviews from customers. Here are some sentiments from the reviews. And that's a wrap. We've compared the Roborock Q5 Plus and the Shark AI Ultra 2 inches 1 robot vacuum and mop in various categories, including price, hands-free cleaning, navigation, suction power, and additional features. Both products have their unique strengths, so it ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. We hope this comparison has helped you make a more informed decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. See you next time on Buy Smart.